psycho.
Oh, my boobs are falling down, Marcy.
Don't step on your nipples.
Don't step on my nipples, Marcy. You should not be talking to your granny like that.
Yeah, shut up.
You tell an old lady to shut up? Here's to you! Wah!
Your blanket go bye-bye.
I need my blood pressure pills. Marcy!
There you go.
Well, that made a noise.
Let's get a side view of your granny.
I think I'm getting a little slimmer. Look at that. Oh, my gut's showing. What? My milkshake brings another boy to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. You know it. Well, back in my day, I was the happiest granny on the block. Yeah. See these glasses? I invented this. Sorry, I got stuck in my gut. Look pretty good for an old lady, don't I? Nice side profile. Ooh, yeah! Oh, little granny. Granny doing the things for you now. Oh, yeah. Ready for a granny flash? Woo!
Granny, yeah!
My boobs are falling out. There he is. There's Mo. Mo! Hello. Give Granny a hug, dearie. Hugs are free. Mo. Hi, Mo. Oh, Mo. Why aren't you hugging me back, Mo?
You look like a crazy, deranged old lady that has senile problems.
Mo, don't talk to your granny like that. Oh, Mo.
I have no relation to you, remember?
Mo.
You're adopted.
Marcy.
Marcy's not here.
Marcy.
Marcy's not here.
Marcy, Mo don't love my granny. I'm leaving town, boy. I'm leaving. Bye-bye,
Bye,
Granny.
Granny.
Hello?
Creepy.
Is there anybody home?
Hey, that's me.